What's up, YouTube family? This is Jeff with a little bit of everything home services, coming to you with another video. Today I wanted to give my review on the Dewalt 8-volt cordless screwdriver. It's 1/4 inch. And you've seen me in other videos use this screwdriver here, this cordless screwdriver. Overall, I mean, I've had this screwdriver for probably over 2 years. Yeah, I want to believe it's been about over 2 years. And this right here this is a great tool. You hear me? I'm going to talk to you about some of the advantages of this. I mean, it is a screwdriver. It has the ability to put on 1/4 inch bits on here, and you can either, I have one of the tools that I have. I have the Milwaukee bits right here that I use, and you can put the different tips on there, and if you can, as you can see right here, it has all different tip sizes, and you can connect it right onto the cordless screwdriver there, and there you go. Now, also you have the advantage of using, I also like to have the longer bit as well, because I use this particular bit when I'm doing like ceiling fan installations. So it'll reach up in there when you're trying to put that blade onto the ceiling fan. It's hard to reach up in there, but you have this one is actually small enough to reach up in there and be able to just screw those screws into that blade from that handle right there, and it makes your job, I mean, super easy. So now the good thing about this, I told my brother-in-law about this particular drill, and he went out and checked it out, and he purchased one, and he got back with me and was like, yo man, I love this. This right here has been my go-to for electrical. I use it for, whether you can use them for the plate covers, to remove the screw from the plate covers when on your outlet, electrical outlet. I also use them for when I am changing out outlets themselves, electrical outlets, or switches, dimmer switches, light switches, anything. It's not for heavy use. Like, I wouldn't use it if I'm working on a car, or I wouldn't use it if I was working on an HVAC unit. But electrical stuff, this right here is the go-to tool right here. Now, an advantage of it, you have the ability to control the speed as well as the rotation with the turn of your hand. And I'll show you. You push this button right here, you hear it, it's humming. You hear that? It's ready for me to move, to tell it which way to go. See that? I'm going clockwise now. I turn my hand to the right, it's turning clockwise. I turn my hand to the left, stop, it's going counterclockwise. And it goes off of the speed that you turn. The more you turn, the faster it goes. See, watch. I'm going to push it in. I'm slowly turning my hand. It's at max speed. I want to slow it down, because remember, the torque is based off of you. If you are screwing something in, even if you're screwing into drywall, you want to hang a picture or something, and you don't want to, you want to have that, you want to be able to control the torque, just like a screwdriver. When you have a screwdriver, you're turning it, but this right here, you don't have to physically just and turn. You use the simple flip of your wrist and control the speed of that. Look at that. This right here, like I said, if you want something that works well, I've had this for a while now. I like it so much, I went out and I ordered me a spare battery for it. The battery lasts a decent amount of time, but what I found was, I keep it in my electrical box, and what I found was, I'll use it, and then I use it and so much to the point where I drain the battery and forget to charge it. Well, I got a spare. That way I'll pop that spare in, take it out, and it can be charging. That's just a slight of mine, forgetting to charge it back up. But anyway, YouTube family, I'm not gonna go. Oh yeah, one more thing too. It has a indicator for your battery life on the back too. You see that? I have 2 bars left out of 3. So anyway, I'm not going to drag this on and on. If you want a really good tool, if you're watching this and you want a really good tool for, it doesn't matter, for yourself, for a loved one, this right here is a way to go. I like to do a review once I've used a tool for quite some time and I know all the ins and outs of it. I have nothing negative to say about this cordless drill. Nothing at all. I really like it. You know, it even has the light on it. I forgot to tell you about that. It has the light on it. So overall, I mean, this right here is the way to go. All right, YouTube family, I'm not going to keep going on and on, but if you have any comments, you have any questions, put them down there in the comment section. I will get back with you. I want to thank you for taking the time out to check out the video, giving up your time. Don't forget, if you like the videos, you like the content that's coming, hit that subscribe button. That helps me to know that the content I'm putting out is helpful to somebody else. All right, family. Again, thank you for your time. Have a blessed day.